Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how to make a cream cleanser for dry, mature skin using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the Cream Cleanser build and then select Create. Firstly, I'm going to select my humectant and I'm going to select the glycerin. Next is my gum and I'm going to pick the xanthan gum. Next is my anionic emulsifier and I'm going to select the glycerol stearate citrate. For my non-ionic emulsifier, I'm going to select the Montanov 68. Next up is my lipids, and I'm going to select some apricot oil. This has got a medium to heavy skin feel. And I'm going to select some cocoa butter. And I'm also going to select a bit of macadamia oil as this is rejuvenating to the skin. Next is my preservative, and I'm going to pick the GearGuard ECT. For my essential oil, I'm going to select some vanilla CO2 oil. For my active, I'm going to select some beta-glucan as this increases skin moisture, elasticity and smoothness. And lastly is my antioxidant, and I'm just going to select some mixed tocopherols. And then click on Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method. Now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a cream cleanser for dry, mature skin using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own cream cleanser. Happy formulating!